guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to try out a new brush set from CARA. So this is the brush set brand and they have currently sent me their brush set to try out. So I thought I will do a first impression on these brushes. And guys, look at this packaging, it's so good. I absolutely love their packaging. It's really pretty and looks amazing. So if you want to know if I like this or not and if it's worth it, then please keep on watching. So this set has 10 brushes for your face as well as your eye makeup, and it retails for rupees 1799. So the brand has mentioned to clean use cold or lukewarm water. Please avoid using hot water. These brushes are handmade. A slight fallout might occur. Now for the first impression, it looks really good and luxurious. Also it feels really soft. So you get 10 brushes for 1799, which is a great deal, I would say. So let's try this out and let's see how it performs. So before jumping onto these brushes, I'm going to prime my face and I'm using my Nivea aftershave balm. So for foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So to apply my foundation, I will be using this F003 brush. This is a contouring brush, but they also suggest you to apply your foundation with this same brush. So first I'm going to dot a little bit foundation. So I've just applied a little bit of foundation. Now I'm going to blend it. Brush is very soft, you guys, and it blended so nicely. Let me see up close. No, there is no streakiness at all. Wow. So if you guys know me, you guys already know that I don't like applying my foundation with brushes, but still for this video I'm trying it out and I really liked it. Okay, I really like the brush and you can see there is no excess product right here. Everything is blended in. I absolutely love this brush. I was very confused using this brush as my foundation brush, but it's so good, you guys. I absolutely loved it. So for my concealer, I will be using the Makeup Revolution concealer. Using the same brush, and you can see it just blends within a second. As this brush looks like a contouring brush, I'm going to use this for blending my cream contour. So for my contouring, I'm using the NY Bay contouring stick. Blends quite well. This brush is quite dense and blends out every product so well. Now to set my under eyes, I'm using this NYX HD Finishing Powder in the shade Banana, and the brush I will be using is F004. This actually is very soft and it fits so nicely under your eyes. Now taking this F001 and I'm going to apply the same powder all over my face. For contouring, I'm using the PAC HD powder palette and I will be using this shade for my contour. For contouring, I'm using the same F004 brush. It's a smaller fluffy brush, so this will definitely make my contour more precise. Wow, look at that contour, oh my god. So for my blush, I will be using my Glam Girls blusher in the shade 05, and the brush I will use is F002. You can also use this to bronze up your face or contour. So for my highlighter, I will be using an eyeshadow from PAC Cosmetics. This is number 15, and the brush for my highlighter, I will be using this F005. It's a fan brush, so let's see how it blends. Okay, this definitely blended really nicely, but this is very fluffy, okay? So make sure you take a little bit of highlighter or you're gonna mess it up. Next, to fill in my brows, I'm using this E009 angular brush. I'm going to use this Sigma Brow Powder Duo for this. So now it's time for my eye makeup, and for that I will be using my Focallure Sunrise palette. So the first shade I'm going to blend it on my crease is this Give Me Mocha, and the brush I will be using is the blending brush. This is E006. The bristle is very soft and it's blending out so nicely, you can see. Taking the shade Tenderly Light on the same brush, I'm just going to blend it on my crease. Next up, I'm going to take this Pinwheel Galaxy in my E007 brush, and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. Next up, I'm taking this E008 pencil brush. I'm going to take this Lavender Field shade, and I'm just going to apply and smoke my lower lash line. The next brush I'm very excited to try is their E010, and this is a eyeliner brush. So for that I will be using my Lotus Eco Stay Butter Matte Paint Pot in the shade Insane Blue. Guys, I absolutely love this brush. It's so precise. You can apply a thin layer or a thick layer, anything you like. I'm going to apply the same highlighter I used, and I'm going to place it just on my inner corner with the same pencil brush, and a little bit on my brow bone as well. Now I'm going to finish off this eye, apply some mascara and falsies, and I will be back. So guys, this is the finished look I created with this CARA brushes, and for lipstick I mixed Nyka Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Begum and Bombay. So now let's talk about the brushes in depth. So the first brush I absolutely loved is this F003. This is my one of the favorite brushes from this brush set. This works so well and it's super dense and soft. Absolutely love this. Next, a brush which I absolutely love is their blending brush. This is again a very good blending brush. Very soft, blends out really nicely. The next favorite brush is their liner brush. This is really very good quality and it applies really precisely. Also, you can make it thick, thin, whatever you like. The next brush which I really liked is this F004. It just sits really nicely under your eyes, also helps in precisely contouring. Really like it. Also, you can use this as your highlighter brush. Also, these brushes are really good, but those four brushes are my favorite. So the blush brush is really super soft, very cute, applies your blush really well, and the fan brush is really good, but I found it very fluffy, so you have to take a little bit of product and then blend it out, and then you can go ahead and apply another layer. So that's the main thing, because I like to go ahead and apply a lot of highlighter. So with this brush, because it's so fluffy, I have to go very lightly. The next brush is their Smudger Brush or the pencil brush. It's really good to smoke out your lower lash line, apply a little bit highlighter on your inner corner and your brow bone or your nose. It's really good. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my nose. Now coming to the powder brush F001, you can also use this for your bronzer or your contouring. Just apply some powder, or you can apply some compact or powder foundation with this as well. Next up, the angular brush. I found that this is a good brush, very precise actually, and not too stiff, but I really miss my spoolie, so that's the thing. And the last brush is their F007. I think this is a very fluffy shader brush. I like shader brush to be very flat, and this is a shader brush which you can use to smoke out your shadow or kajal on your upper or lower lash line, which is good. But for me, I don't think I will be using this brush more often, because I have good shader brushes which are very thin and very precise, but still you can use this brush to smoke. That's a good thing. Now that's all about the brushes. I absolutely love the quality, the packaging, and also I didn't see any shedding of bristles, but I'm going to wash it and I will see if there's any shedding or not. If I would recommend this, of course, yes, you're getting 10 great brushes at just ₹17.99. It's definitely worth it. I'm going to mention the link to buy this product down in my description box below, so make sure you check that out. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.